Jimmy Falcon, yeah, absolutely.
That's Jimmy Fallon.
Yeah, sure, and I think the thinking and the ideology behind having such a guest.
Vanishing point, perpendicular angle, diagonal angle,
and I didn't understand a word you said.
Yeah.
Let's do another game.
I want to blow this up on Instagram.
I want this show to be different than the other shows, you know? I want this show to be different than the other shows, you know? I want this show to be different than the other shows, you know?
You ready to play them? Because it's just like.
Can you please say the whole thing?
Linguistics and eggs.
Linguistic, what is that? What the hell does that mean? I can't tell if this is a really great show or this is a complete disaster. Boy, killing it for you, boy.